Assistance packages from partners continue to arrive in Ukraine. The White House announced priority in providing the Ukrainian armed forces with missiles for Patriot and NASAMS, postponing the delivery of orders to other countries. According to John Kirby, this will be enough to provide Ukraine with sufficient air defense capabilities for the next 16 months.
The United States has a robust foreign military sales program where our defense industrial base produces and then exports material to other countries, including, of course, air defense missiles. And what we are going to do is, we are going to reprioritize the deliveries of these exports so that those missiles rolling off the production line will now be provided to Ukraine. This will ensure that we'll be able to provide Ukraine with the missiles they need to maintain their stockpiles at a key moment in the war. John Kirby, United States National Security Council Coordinator for Strategic Communications.
Germany has provided another large shipment of weapons, including air defense system, tanks and armored vehicles. The latest batch of aid for Ukraine also includes the Iris-T system. Now the Ukrainian armed forces already have 6 of them. Romania will also transfer air defense systems to Ukraine. This is stated in a statement by the Romanian presidential administration. Bucharest ordered 7 air defense batteries from the United States in the Pack 2 and Pack 3 modifications. 4 of them were received, 2 were deployed. The message does not specify whether the already deployed air defense system will be transferred to Kyiv.
This donation is made on the condition that our country continues its negotiations with the Allies, especially with the American strategic partner, in order to obtain a similar or equivalent system which meets the need to ensure the protection of the national airspace. From a message on the website of the administration of the President of Romania.
Earlier, President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky stated that Ukraine has only about a quarter of the required amount of air defense to protect the country's energy infrastructure from destruction. But despite this, the Ukrainian military is finding unconventional opportunities. Their experience is already being adopted by the allies, especially taking into account the importance of multi-layered air defense and effective integration of various air defense systems on the battlefield.
The solutions that our defense forces are looking for are unique. They are created based on the tactical and technical characteristics of the weapons we use, and there are tactical and technical characteristics that are used to the limit. That is, we are talking about the supra-possibility of using the same air defense systems against such powerful missiles as Tsirkon and Kinzhal. In practice, there were before no such cases where the destruction of these missiles was practiced.
In 2025, supplies of shells to Ukraine from one of the largest German defense concerns will begin. The company received the largest order in history for 8.5 billion euros for the production of 155mm artillery ammunition. In addition to Ukraine, recipients include the Netherlands, Estonia and Denmark. Denmark is also providing Ukraine with the 19th aid package. This was reported by the country's Ministry of Defense.
Therefore, the donation package is a combination of a framework to finance significant donations via the Ukrainian defense industry, additional materials to support Denmark's F-16 donation, and donations from the Danish Armed Forces' own holdings, from a message from the press service of the Danish Ministry of Defense.
The United States has said Ukraine could use its weapons to attack Russian forces that are shelling Ukrainian cities anywhere along the Russian border, not just on Russian territory near the Kharkiv region. This was stated by Pentagon spokesperson Patriot. Jake Sullivan, national security advisor to the US president, added that Ukraine could also shoot at Russian aircraft flying in Russian airspace if they intend to open fire in Ukrainian territory. Reported by Halina Babenko, Victoria Smirnova, UATV News.